about the elephant, and this is white with dark pink, and we're now gonna mix it. We mixed the dark pink and we mixed the white and the dark pink together so we can get the light pink.
Okay. What shape is that?
Heart.
Okay.
This is yellow. We're gonna put in the sun. This is blue and white. And now we're gonna mix it together. Sky blue for cloud. I do the water.
What is that animal?
Elephant.
Okay, what's the color for the elephant?
Gray.
Very good.
Put little black and too much white so it can mix gray for the elephant. The elephant's favorite color is gray. Too many gray.
What color is that?
Pink!
Okay. What that is animal?
Elephant! Spraying water.
Okay, good. Are you happy? Okay. Why are you so happy?
Because I have elephant painting.